Stop wasting your avocados. What if I told you that almost every homemade avocado oil recipe you see online is causing people to throw away over half of their natural oil yield? They are scorching it, trapping it in fibers, and pouring hours of work down the drain. Almost every homemade avocado oil tutorial leaves valuable oil behind. Today, I will show you how to extract much more using simple technique at home. So, I'm pulling back the curtain on an exclusive professional grade extraction method. This gives you one of the absolute highest oil yield possible using nothing but just basic kitchen tools. No expensive machinery, zero toxic chemicals, and absolutely no shortcuts. But my darling, watch closely because I'm also going to reveal the single biggest mistake that causes homemade beauty oil to go rancid and spoil within days. Stay with me until the very end because I'm showing you the exact hidden techniques to force every single micro drops of oil, liquid gold, out of every single avocado fruit. If you are passionate about healthier hair and affordable DIY beauty, welcome to Evolva Official. Here, we turn everyday ingredients into effective self-care routine every single Friday. Let's get started. Hello, my gorgeous. Welcome back here, your exclusive digital sanctuary where we strip away the synthetic fillers and transform raw, natural ingredients into high performance DIY beauty features. If you are deeply passionate about authentic hair growth, clean skin care, and mastering the art of homemade botanical oil, do yourself a huge favor right now. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and join our rapidly growing family of natural hair enthusiasts. Now, clear your counter, grab your tools, and let's extract pure and refined avocado oil completely from scratch. All right, before we touch a single tool, you need to understand why commercial brands try so hard to replicate this ingredient. It is pure, unrefined avocado oil, which is nature's ultimate hair fuel. It is uniquely packed with a high density oleic fatty acid, deep penetrating vitamin E, and intensive plant based antioxidants. Unlike cheap drugstore oils that simply sit on top of your strands like heavy plastic wrap, the cellular structure of avocado oil always allows it to actually pass through the hair cuticles. It repairs structure damage from the inside out, completely eradicates chronic dryness, stop breakage in its tracks, and leaves your hair with a mirror-like shine. It is literal holy grail for your scalp barrier and skin texture. That is the truth. But here is the catch, my darlings. You only get this mind-blowing benefit if the oil is extracted correctly without destroying its nutrients. Let me show you exactly what you need to get started. To unlock high yield, we have used 5 avocados, very ripened one. The softer they are, the easier it is to release their natural oils because the cellular walls are already breaking down. Wash them and cut them open carefully. Remove the seed and scoop only the green flesh straight into a bowl. A quick warning, avoid using completely spoiled or moldy fruit. Rotten fruit introduces bad bacteria that will completely ruin your final shelf life. My lovely queens, don't let best part of avocado go to waste. This avocado seed, while the flesh is great for moisture, the seed contains essential nutrients that combat hair thinning and breakage. Saving the seed and infusing it into your homemade oil gives your hair the ultimate hair boost. Keep it aside, I'm gonna show you what to do the next with it. If you know or you are struggling with a severe hair breakage, use this avocado oil. because a major clinical study confirmed that mineral found in avocado oil, like the potassium and the magnesium, is responsible to seal cuticle cell flat. This drastically improves strand flexibility, so your hair stretches instead of snapping during brushing. It acts as a natural heat protectant. Due to its exceptional high smoke point, avocado oil forms a safe, lightweight barrier that shields your strands from heat damage caused by blow drying or styling tools. Let's move to the next step, which is the blending stuff. So, blend until perfectly smooth, like that. Dump the flesh into blender and switch tone. Listen to me very careful, my darlings. Don't add water, okay? You get me well. If you don't want to believe in me, try it, but your oil will be spoiled because normally avocado is made of 70% of water. So no need of the other thing. Just blend as it is until it's gonna become like smooth like this. Avocado oil calms a dry, flaky scalp. The anti-inflammatory properties and high vitamin E content help soothe irritation, reduce dandruff flaking, and unclog blocked hair follicles. Are we still together? Let's transfer the avocado paste into a wide pan. We are setting our stove burner to a very low heat. I repeat, very low heat, my darlings. This is the golden rule. Stir continuously and never allow it to burn. If you leave it sitting for even a minute, the bottom will scorch, which ruins the smell of your hair oil and cut your yield in half. Make this avocado oil. Let me call extraction from this. You have to be patient, my darling. You have to have enough time, no rush, so that to have enough yield. As moisture slowly evaporates under this gentle heat, you will notice the paste shifting from bright green to a deeper forest green. Soon, tiny golden oil droplets will begin appearing on the surface. This is exactly all you want. Heating gently, keeping that spatula moving. I have used wooden one, which is the best, until most of the moisture has completely evaporated. You will now, it's ready. When the avocado solid become brown and the large amount of oil collect and separate in the pan, turn off the heat immediately. Allow it to cool slightly so it is safe to touch, but don't let it go cold. One more things that I couldn't forget to tell you, whether it's a warning or what, but never use a fork, my dear friend, because a fork always leaves very tiny invisible chunks. The oil inside those chunks will stay trapped forever. A blender breaks down every single cell fiber, so use a blender because blending turns the avocado into a very smooth liquid like mousse. This process makes it very effortless to spread in a perfectly even whatever you are cooking from. I have used a pan for myself. So the smoother the paste, the faster the water evaporates. So just keep in your mind. Let us continue heating gently until most moisture has evaporated. The avocado solid becomes too brown. You can see that large amount of oil is going to be collected. If you have ever tried to do this process, I can say experiment. Just stay with me. Can you see how these golden oil droplets begin appearing on the surface? Can you see that? I'm feel overwhelmed. Just see that. That is my first experiment that it makes me feel like, because I spend a lot for this avocado oil. It is very expensive where I am. Wow, can you see that? Whoa. Okay, so now We are going to let it cool so little, then so that I can extract the oil. Well, I'm going to gather all my tools so that I don't face any disturbance. Now it is slightly cool, so it is safe to touch. So I couldn't let it get cold, so neither do you. We are going to extract our oil by using cheesecloth or whatever you have at home, but make sure that you squeeze too hard because this oil can be hidden somewhere. All right, this process releases the remaining oil trapped inside the avocado solid as you are squeezing too hard. Look at that gorgeous emerald green liquid rushing into the bowl. Can you see that? This step alone can noticeably increase your final yield compared with simply straining it. But many people stop right here. Here is the ultimate trick for more oil. You can try it. Allow the squeezed avocado solids to cool completely inside the bowl. Rub them again in a fresh, dry piece of cheesecloth and press once more with all your strength. Some people even use a manual fruit press for additional extraction. You will be completely surprised by how much more oil comes out on the second press. If you are like me, you are going to do by yourself from home with intention of highest yield. Always use very ripe fruit, I mean avocado. Never add water. Cook slowly over low heat if you are going to use stove method and squeeze thoroughly after cooling. See my pure unrefined avocado oil. Woo, see that? Now, let's filter our oil one final time. I have used this way by filtering, but you can use whatever you have at your house. You can use a clean, fresh piece of cheesecloth or a standard paper coffee filter to catch any micro piece of pulp. Keep in mind that the clearer the oil, the longer it usually keeps. Once it is beautiful clear, pull it straight into a clean dark glass bottle. This one that I have used, but you can use whatever you have. Yeah, just as long as it will be a glass and dark, that will be fine. And store it in a cool, dark place away from the sunlight. Now, how do you use this raw luxury? Do you know how you can use it? Do you think that is for hair only? All right. For your hair, massage a few drops into the scalp to trigger growth, or smooth a small amount through your hair length to help reduce dryness and add high glow shine. For your skin as well, you can use it. Don't forget. It works beautiful as nighttime skin dew. Apply just few drops to clean skin as a rich moisturizer. If it suits your skin type as well, you have to make sure that. But before you start, remember the biggest mistake. Never bottle your avocado oil while it is still hot. Allow it to cool completely before putting the cap on. If you trap hot air inside, moisture will form on the glass, shortens its shelf life, and turn it rancid. Always use completely clean, dry bottles. This oil can stay fresh up to 6 months. It is well properly kept. I know many things to share with you guys, but I couldn't speak only one day. Taking care and control of your hair health always start with knowing exactly what you are putting on your body. Did you know that you could extract avocado oil from 5 on your avocado at home? Tell me in the comments. Would you use for your hair or for your skin? If you enjoyed today's tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications here on Evolva Official. We create natural DIY beauty recipes every single Friday. Have you ever read the back label of your favorite store oil? Tell me what ingredients surprised you most. Thank you for your hanging out in my kitchen today, and I will see you in the next breakdown. Bye.